Imagine hearing the same story from two different people. Now the first speaker rushes through their story with a flat voice and eyes glued to their notes. The audience listens politely and then moves on. Now the same story told differently. The second speaker slows down. They soften their voice at the right emotional moments. They have the rises with excitement, cues when needed, pauses before the most important line. Now the audience leans forward. Their words didn't change between the two speakers, only the delivery did. Now you need to understand that in storytelling, what you say matters, but how you say it matters just as much, if not even more. Many people think a great story automatically moves people. No, it doesn't. Even the best story feels forgettable if delivered flatly. Think about the last presentation that truly inspired you. It wasn't only the message, it was the speaker's energy, their tone, their presence. Storytelling is not just about information, it's about emotion and connection. Now, here's a simple rule. Your belief shapes the audience's belief. If you sound unsure, they sense it immediately. If your voice carries conviction, people begin to trust what you say. Your task is not just to repeat events. Your task is to guide the audience through an emotional experience. Delivery makes that journey possible. Pace is crucial. Many people speak too fast when they are nervous. Sentences blur together. Important moments slip by. Slow down. Deliberate pace communicates confidence. It allows tension to build. It gives you key lines. The space between each and every focal point feels deliberate. Remember, speed rarely helps. Clarity and rhythm always do. Now the power of the pause. Silence is uncomfortable for many speakers, but a well-timed pause can amplify meaning. Pause after every key line. After a few seconds, let the audience absorb what you just told them. Now the second point, eye contact. Stories are personal. Focus on one person briefly and make them feel as if that story was tailor-made for them. When one person feels seen, the whole room senses it. Now the third, the emotional authenticity. Don't act on emotions, reconnect on them. Fear, relief, excitement. When you genuinely feel it, your tone and body language reflects it naturally. Audiences sense the authenticity immediately. Then the human imperfection. Perfection can feel robotic. Natural pauses, brief stumbles, or interrupted sentences, they make you feel human. Audiences connect with humans, not robots. When you master delivery and tonality, the same story comes alive. The audience listens more closely. They feel the tension, they experience the emotion, they remember your message long after it ends. Storytelling isn't just about sharing information. It should be and is an experience. Your pace creates rhythm. Your pauses creates emphasis. Your tone communicates belief. Your authenticity builds trust. The words are now only the beginning. The real power comes from how you deliver them. When a story is told with confidence, with emotion and connection, it doesn't just reach the ears, it reaches the heart. Great storytelling isn't about a perfect performance. It's an honest delivery. Tell your story with belief, and others will believe it too. Till we meet again, bye for now. See you in the next one.